Welcome to Raven Tech. Hello, everyone. My name is Neil Kelly. I'm a design and technology educator passionate about film, programming, and innovation. Today, we are diving into the world of ChatGPT, an AI revolutionizing how we interact with technology. It's often perceived as just another chatbot. ChatGPT's capability extends far beyond simple conversations. It's a tool with immense potential, yet it's frequently underutilized. Join me as we uncover the hidden powers of ChatGPT, demonstrating its real potential and exploring how it can be leveraged in fields like education, business, and beyond. Let's unlock the full potential of ChatGPT together. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated on groundbreaking technologies that can power your future. Join the Raven Tech community today. All right, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI. It is what's called a GPT, a generative pre-trained transformer, um, which is designed to generate human-like text-based responses on the input it receives. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data, which gives it the ability to engage in conversations, answer questions, and even provide information on a huge, massive range of topics. Its applications are diverse, from casual chatting to helping with more specific areas like education, business, technology, and even creative fields like film and programming. As an AI, it doesn't have personal experiences or emotions, but it can generate human like responses. That's pretty convincing. It's pretty versatile and can be a handy tool. Well, enough with me talking about all of this stuff. Let's jump right into it. All right, I've been working on a few other things that's here. Let's get a clean, fresh slate here. This is ChatGPT. They have a paid version and they have a free version. Now, the free version, well, in any situation, you have to sign up. And the sign up process is pretty simple. You go to openai.com and then you hit try, right? Yeah. GPT. And let's see if we can do that here. OpenAI.com. And I think because I'm already, okay, here we are, right? Then you can go to try Chat GPT. And I think it's going to bring me right into it because I'm already signed up. Now, in that particular case, when you hit try GPT, it's going to have you sign up first. Be prepared to have your mobile phone and a working phone number with you because when you sign up and you give it your email, your name, and then you give it your phone number, it's going to send a confirmation to your phone. So you be prepared for that. This is the paid version of GPT. The free version looks very similar to this, with the exception that you'll be using GPT 3.5. GPT 4.0 is a bit more advanced and it gives more complicated answers. Now, GPT 4.0, 4.5, I'm sorry, is well, it is 4.0, is somewhat limited. What do I mean by that? I mean that it allows you to answer a certain number of questions for within a certain amount of time period. When you exceed that, it drops you down to 3.5. And I guess the immense amount of computing power it takes to answer questions is the reason. So let's jump into this. Now, let me ask a few things. First, let's talk about business. How can this help me in business? Well, I can say, let's say I'm trying to decide what type of business I want to involve myself in. Let's say poultry farming, and let's say livestock like cows, right? I can say, please compare the benefits of poultry farming. Oops, I misspelled that. Poultry farming against livestock farming and put them in a table. So here's what it's doing. It's actually putting it in a table, showing me the benefits um, of each, right? And it will continue all the way down to the very end, right? Now, I can look at this and I can say, okay, based on if I have a smaller budget, um, and I can give it a bunch of context. Let's say I say based on um, I have a small budget. Which, and obviously poultry will be the answer, but I want to see if it can tell me based on a small budget, which would you suggest I start with and give justification. Given a small budget, I would suggest with I would start with poultry farming. And here are the justifications: low initial investment, space efficiency, faster growth rate, higher product turnover, right? And flexible in scale, right? And market demand. There's a consistent market demand for poultry products like eggs and chicken meat. Easier management, right? So this helps you with your um, decision making, process. It can compare things and pull information and determine which is better. Now, I'm going to go out on a limb here and I'm going to ask it to um, uh, give me an idea what the startup would be in Uganda because I'm based in Uganda right now. I live here. There's a bug flying around here. um, and I'm going to ask it to give me. And I don't know what it's going to tell me, but let's dive into this. Give me an idea of the cost in dollars, right? How much would it in dollars for startup cost for poultry farming? Let's see what it says. The startup cost poultry farming can provide variety, turkeys, blah blah blah. It's giving you an idea. Now, obviously, you would have to check this out. Basic coop can cost anywhere from $200 to $2,000 based on the size and materials. Right? Healthcare, miscellaneous expenses. So it gives you an idea. So it could start from, let's say, $600, which is roughly a little bit over 2M, to $3,000, right? And they're saying additional considerations, right? So that gives you an idea of how it can help you with business. And then I could say, for instance, give me a slogan I can use. Oops, advertising. Now I'm going to say give me 10 slogans. Slogans suggestions, right? Certainly. Fresh flavors and feathered friends. Egg, conceptual quality, uh, pluck worthy taste. From our coop to your table, nature's best, freshly nestled. Heck the best, forget the rest. I like that. Farm fresh, feather fed, feather fed, and family favorite. Um, Plucking good chicken every time. Egg-citing flavors, fresh, farm fresh delights. I like that. Healthy hens, happy homes. I really like that. It's very simple. So this can help you, right? Now I can say, give me 10 suggestions. Oops, fat fingered that one. 10 suggestions for a business name. Pluck and Crow Poultry, Golden Yolk Acres, Happy Hens Homestead, Excellence Farmstead, play on excellence, Nature's Nest Poultry, Peck and Plume Pastures, Farmyard Fluck, Co- There could be a lot of jokes in that one. Um, Exquisite Farm, Blue Sky Poultry Ranch. So this gives you an idea of just some of the applications, right? Now, let's say I want to write a script, right, for a for an advert. We'll say a screenplay. Here it is, scene one, exterior shot of a picturesque farm at sunrise, birds chirping, gentle morning light illuminating the farm. Narrator, um, where's the narrator? Our yolks. They're more than just food. They're a symbol of our commitment to quality and natural farming. Close-up shot of various egg dishes being prepared in a sunny, rustic kitchen. From our farm to your table, experience the true taste of nature with Golden Yoke Acres. So this is just some of the power of ChatGPT. Let's look at one other thing. Let's say you're a programmer, right? And you need to have it do some programming. For instance, write code that will sort um, 10 chicken related words in HTML. So it's analyzing, which is new. I've never seen it analyze to write code. Let's see what it does. It's probably generating the words. It's probably trying to come up with 10 chicken related words. All right, here we are. Yeah, that's what it did. The word sorter. Featherless, coop, cluck, eggs, hen. Interesting. There it is. So it's actually writing programming code. Now, you can have it write Python, C++. You can write a code for Arduinos. You can write code in JavaScript and Java and HTML and just about any language that's out there. This is the awesome, massive power of ChatGPT. Let's do this. One more thing. Write an essay about chicken farming in Uganda. Gives you an introduction. In the vertic heart of East Africa, Uganda stands as a beacon of agricultural potential, with chicken farming emerging as a vital component of its economic and nutritional landscape. So here it's actually writing an entire essay on chicken farming in Uganda. The power is immense. And we're not this is what the free version does. We haven't even gotten to the paid version. And I think in later videos we'll get further into this. I just want to give you a brief understanding of the immense power of this and other technologies. And wait, look, wait, there's one last thing. Now, this deals with the paid version, right? But I'm going to say create a an image, create a logo image for this company. Let's see what it does. So it's creating the image. It's generating a logo. I do not have to go out there and grab somebody to create this logo. It's generating the logo for me. This is massive. This is massive. It is immensely powerful for business, for development of technology, for art. And here it is. Golden Yoke Acres. Look at that. In seconds, my logo's there. I can tell it to create 5 different versions of a logo, and then I can choose the one that I like. This is the power of AI. People, also, I want to just remind you, don't forget to click subscribe if you want to learn more about upcoming technologies that will empower you in business, education, or whatever endeavor you happen to be involved with. Thank you so much and have a fantastic and wonderful day.